There is no better way to describe the situation except the word war. That is the best way to describe what's happening right now. Car owners and thieves are at war. Thieves trying to get the cars, car owners don't want the cars disappeared. And what better way to win a war than having a winning weapon? We have the IGLA Anti-Theft PIN code system. This is a winning device that no thief can break. Cars won't leave your driveway. If you have any tracking devices, even if the car has been retrieved, what is the condition you get it in? Is it the same way you let it go? No. The same way it was stolen? No. With the IGLA anti-theft system, it won't even leave the spot that you parked in. Then you don't have to worry about any damages, any participation, any deductions, any aggravation, any time consuming. The system will allow you to have a functional remote starter. Everything in your vehicle will work as usual. You don't have to worry about anything or losing anything. Everything works as usual. Let me show you how the system is activated. So right now I'm sitting in the vehicle. I have the key. I'm gonna try to start the vehicle. Press the push button, press the brake, and the car will not start. Now I'm gonna enter a special PIN code. This PIN code can be changed by the user many times. There is no limitation, there is no default code, and you don't have to be a technician to know how to change the code. We will teach every user how to change it. Right? The code using the factory controls. So you're using standard buttons of the car, nothing external, nothing visible. So I'm gonna quickly enter my code. I'm gonna receive my confirmation. And now I can press the brake again. And the vehicle is running. As I mentioned, your remote starter and everything else still works as usual. Like I said, folks, we are at war. And the IGLA is your winning weapon. If you have any questions, find us at Car System Installation. We'll see you next time. Have a good day.